Sorry, madam. 3 seconds.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amisha Negi. My topic is confidence. Confidence is very important in our life. We can any we can achieve everyone with the help of confidence. With the help of confidence, we can crack any interview. Confidence gave us.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice. Start, sir.
Confidence is very important. I am speak here with confidence and
बोलिए बोलिए. यहाँ कर लो सर यहाँ.
I am going here, there, anything with confidence and confidence is very important.
बोलो बोलो 2-4 लाइन भी बोलोगे बहुत है. Thank you. Start, madam.
Confidence is very important in our life because without confidence we not survive in our life, and confidence
Start, sir. बस थोड़ा सा बोलने की कोशिश करो. अब नहीं आएगा तब भी 2-4 लाइन बस बोलो, कुछ नहीं जाता.
Hello guys, I am Radha Sharma. Confidence is a very important in our life, and confidence is helpful for games and sports and teaching and the business.
Nice. Keep speaking 2 lines more.
And confidence is
Very important role in our life. Thank you. Just start, ma'am. Start.
Hello guys, I am here to discuss about confidence. If we need to confidence in our day-to-day life, because if we have confidence, we can change our lifestyle, and we also can change ourselves. If we are not, if we have no confidence, we can't do anything, because confidence is must.
Start, sir.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, confidence is very good. Life is important. Control your body. Think your strength, health good your body, and life is very confidence is control your language, not nervous, and
Hello everyone, I am Seema. Confidence is very important to our life, and then confidence is very important
Day-to-day life.
day-to-day life, and
You have to face many people.
you have to face many people.
Sir.
hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Kumar. My name is Neeraj Kumar. Confidence is our life. My confidence is English speaking, but I have not confidence learning computer. I speak public speaking confidence, and bus students speaking confidence.
Start, madam.
So, hello my dear friends. Today I tell about confidence. Confidence is very important for our life, because you have confidence, you can get any job interview, and you can enjoy your life, and without confidence this is not possible. So thank you.
You start, sir.
So, today I am going to speak about confidence. Confidence is very important role plays in our life, and without confidence we cannot survive in this world. If you have confidence, you can communicate with each other and in front of many kinds of people and hundreds of people. If you have confidence, you can crack your interviews. If you have confidence, you can go anywhere and communicate effectively. If you have confidence, you can achieve many more things, and you can build your
So you use interviews, keep speaking.
So my name is Veena. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of confidence. So confidence role is a very important role in our life. Confidence is a basic need. Confidence is the power of tool. If you have confidence, you can do anything in the world. If you have confidence, you can connect foreign people. You can connect. You can conversation foreign people. So confidence is the most important in our life. If you want to become a doctor and engineer, so confidence is
Let's give it.
The confidence is the most important for everybody lives because because the help of the confidence you can win the walls, because you can see the most of the people they don't have the confidence, they're lacking for the way of speaking and all these things. So it is a lacking of your knowledge. When you have confidence, you can do a lot of things, like you can crack the interview, you can win the game, you can win the any kind of war, you can crack the toughest examination in the world. So the confidence is the most important to everybody.
Start, sir.
So the topic of the confident. Confident is the use the very high level, you are increasing the power. So you are the try the confident this your time, your bodies, you are the use any stage performance, and you are the use the increasing the play, the games, your the mind level is the very increase, the confident is your high. And you try the confident is the build up and use the our life using the any time, any uses, any papers, any.
Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is my topic confidence. Confidence is most important in our life. We can not survive without confidence. We cannot achieve without confidence. We can improve your confidence because confidence is most important. Confidence is.
Thank you, sir. Just give up. Start, ma'am.
So hello everyone, if I talk about confidence, so confidence is very important for us. Without confidence, we cannot talk, we cannot do anything, we cannot achieve anything. If we confident, we can face the people, we can speak in front of people, we can make effective personality in front of people. So confidence is very important for us in our life for any achieve goal. So
Achieving any goal. Thank you. Just give it.
I am going to tell about confidence. Confidence is very important in life because we have confidence, then we can talk with anybody and in clear way. And if we have confidence, then we will do any hard work in our life. If we have confidence, then we never think about how to do anything and how to not do anything. We just do that. And if you have confidence, then we have to never suppose that they will support you, then you will do. You will itself do anything.
Our first round is completed, and second round is having a goal is important or not. Start, madam.
having a goal is very important in our life, because if you don't have goals, so your life is dry. Your life is lazy. So goal is very important in our life. If you have any goal, so you can achieve anything. If you have goal, all people respect you. All people respect you. So goal is very important in our life, and if you have goal, so your life is busy and your mind is fresh.
Start, sir.
Having the goal in the life is very important, because when you have the goal, you want to live more life, and also you want to fill up your dreams and your achievements. So this is most important, because most of the people today want to live for the goal, and the goal give you expression and goal hope of living your life, and you will work like that, and you want to achieve in your goals. So goals give you a lot of information, knowledge, and also to improve your knowledge. So this is importance. I think every should have a goal.
Just give up. Start, madam.
Goal is very important in our life, because without goal we cannot survive, and we have not goal, our mind is not set, because we have goal, our mind is fresh, and our mind is achieve this goal, and goal is very important, and goal is very important because we have goal.
Start, sir.
Goal is very important in our life because goal is
important.
goal is important
If you have goal,
if you have goal and
you survive in the world for this.
goal is without goal is survive.
You are like animals. If you don't have goals, you are like animals. If you don't have goals,
If you have goal,
if you don't have goals,
goal,
you are animal.
you are animal.
Speak.
Having a goal is most important because if we want success in our life, we need to make our goal. Because if you are not having a goal, you are like an animal. Your goal, if you have goal, you can achieve everything and you can fulfill your wills and your dreams. So you need to make your proper goal and work on it.
Nice man. Thank you. Start, sir. Good job.
Important is goal. Daily life is hard working your goal, and life is important your goal, and mostly controlling your life is and क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको hard working your success.
Thank you. Just give her. Start. Goal is very important.
Goal is very important in our life because
If you don't have goal, if you don't have goal,
if you don't have goal,
you are like an animal
you're like an animal
because animals
because animals
don't have goals.
don't have goals.
Thank you. They eat and sleep and die. नहीं तो जानवर तो यही करते हैं ना.
Our life is very important. This my life is important reading and speaking English and learning computer and our life this important my family and it food and this my one day study and our lives my parents.
Goal is most important for our life because without goal you cannot do anything, and you have a goal so you have always now what do you do, and without goal you cannot fulfill your wishes and dreams. So goal is most important for our life, and you have goals so you can do anything in your life.
Thank you, ma'am. Start, sir.
Having goal is a very important in our life. Having goal is very important in our life because without goal we cannot survive, and I don't know how to live without aim and without any goal, and our life like a dog animal and they only sleep, eat and die. So it's all about our life without goal, and if we have a goal we will work on it and
Sir, बहुत अच्छा बोले थे. Good job. तो टाइम इधर नहीं आउगा.
Goal is very important our life. Without goal we cannot survive in life, and without goal we are as like animal. We cannot survive without goal. We cannot do work without goal.
Thank you. Just leave him. Start, sir.
Goal is very important. If you don't have goal, you animal. If you don't have goal, you animal. And goal is very important. If you have goal, do anything. And goal is very important. Goal is very important. If you have goal, do anything.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Today topic is the goal of our life. Our life goal is the very important, but you have to try the steps and step by step use the goal, the working in the increasing the levels, and your the sleeping time is the very use, and time you the learning focus the goals, and you the learning studies, and very servant your the service, and your the goal try the goal your
Thank you, sir. दे दो मैं क्या ये लड़की देख रही है ऐसे ना आप बोलिए सर
Today is my topic goal. Goal is most important in our life. Without goal, we cannot survive in our life. We cannot do without goal. We cannot living without goal. You cannot survive in without goal.
Thank you, sir.
So having a goal is important for us because if we want to become a successful man in our life, so you have a goal, because you must have a goal, because without goal you can become a useless person in our life. You cannot you cannot fulfill your dreams and wishes. So goal is important for us. So goal is important for us. Without goal, you can not survive in the earth. So thank you.
Thank you. Start, sir.
Goal is very important in our life. Without goal, we just not justify how to do and how to not do. Because if we have goal, then we are indicated, and that is the my goal, and that's work on that only. If we have goal, then we have to not change how to what is do now and what is do after that. If you have goal, then you will do only that.
थैंक यू सर आपके पास 20 से 25 मिनट टाइम है, उसमें आप एंटरटेन करेंगे, शेर व शायरी करेंगे आप